Hello friends, it's Jeff here. Welcome to my corner and welcome to, well, I don't know what to call this. We're going to go on the road trip. We're going to go and visit Spruebrothers. Gordon from Spruebrothers extended an invitation to us to come over to his company and just have a look. And this is the perfect opportunity for us to see how it's been done. Maybe we can learn something, what to do, especially since we just started out. So my wife and I are going to get in the car and we're going to meet up with the rest of the team. And then we're going to head out to Liberty, Missouri. So stay tuned. I'll be back and hopefully you'll all enjoy it. So I'll see you guys soon. Jeffy here for now, signing off. Hello friends, Jeff here, and it's Friday morning at 9:30 and we are in Liberty, Missouri. We are about ready to visit Spruebrothers, so this is the perfect opportunity to introduce the team, the rest of the team. So let me take the camera around, let me turn the camera around actually, and introduce them to you. So hold on, stay tuned. First of all, it's my lovely wife Jill. She used to work for Squadron for several years, almost 10 I guess, so she has a pretty good knowledge about models and what it's all about. So say hi to everybody, Jill.
Hey y'all, hey.
All right. And then second, we have Marnie over there. Marnie is also an ex-employee from Squadron. She worked there for at least 5-6 years, I guess, I think, as a controller. So she also has a pretty good knowledge and background in plastic models. So say something.
Hello everybody.
All righty. Last but not least, we have Mike. Mike is married to Marnie, and he's a modeler for most of his life. And of course, a very good friend of mine. So if you want to say something, Mike, now's the time.
Good morning.
All right. So we have Mike, we have Marnie, and we have Jill. And then of course, little old me. And that's the Jeffy Corner Store team. That's all it is. So stay tuned, more to come. We are at the parking lot at Spruebrothers, so ready to go in. So I'll be back with some more inside shots, and hopefully it's going to be what I hoped it would be. So I'll see you in a bit. Hello friends, where are we? Hello friends, we're in the hotel in Liberty. What? Hello friends, good morning. We're in the hotel in Liberty. I'm still looking at the wrong hole. Okay. I will do that in the bloopers. Yeah. Okay, I'll make some.
Say Liberty.
Hello friends, it's 9:30 in the morning. I'm still looking at the same hole. Jesus Christ. I don't know why that hole is so attractive than the other one. Oh, it's all on there. Oh, okay. All right.
Hold it like this.
Yeah, but I have to look at that hole there.
That's fine, but you can still hold the camera straight on.
Okay,
Why
that's
do you
all
have
on
to get
tape.
me in the picture?
Hello friends, it's 9 o'clock in the... I'm still looking at the wrong hole. This button, this red button attracts me. It attracts me. Hello? Okay, I'm looking at that. Hello friends, I can't, it's hard to concentrate because that red hole, the red button is there. Hello friends, it's 9 o'clock in... Okay, last time. Hello friends, Jeff here, and it's Friday morning, 9 o'clock, 9:30 actually, and we're in the hotel in Liberty, Missouri. I'm still looking at it. I can't get away from that red freaking button. What if I do it like this? And we are in Liberty, Missouri in the hotel. Liberty, Missouri. Jill, just say hi to everybody.
Hey, y'all, hey.
Seriously, you're on tape. I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna keep this. So we have Mike, we have Marnie, we have Jill, and then.
That didn't work.
It didn't because I forgot. I was watching. Sorry.
So we have Mike, we have Marnie, we have Jill, and she's late again. God damn.
What are you doing?
You're late. You need to get up after. So we have Mike, we have Marnie, and we have Jill, and Marnie. Jesus. Oh yeah. Like hello.
No, I'm right there.
Oh, you're
You were
right there?
Yes, it was perfect.
Yeah, but isn't that too slow?
You gotta get moving, woman.
Don't